So what's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. And for today's video we will unbox this disc brake, the Ragusa. That we have bought from Shopee for around 500 to 600 pesos. So this disc brake is Ragusa R200, and this is what's inside of the box. So we have here guys a pair of calipers. So this is the caliper for the disc. So we have a pair of caliper here. Next is the screws or bolt for the calipers. Next is the disc. So we have two discs for the disc brake. So this is for the front and back wheel, a wheel set. So here. So this is the caliper. So guys, the caliper is, I'm not sure if this is made of an alloy, but absolutely this is made of metal. So here, this is the closer look of the Ragusa caliper. And for the bolt guys, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We have 16 bolts for the disc, and there are rings also. So here. And that's all guys for this video of unboxing this Ragusa disc brake. If you like this video, please subscribe, and thank you for watching, and until next time, and bye bye.